Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to Alex Builds. Today we have got part 57 of Hachette Partworks Build the Terminator. So part 57, it's been such a long time since I've done a bit of the Terminator that yeah, it feels like ages. I think it's been about 8 weeks since I've actually done a Terminator video. But yeah, we've got parts 57. I haven't got part 58 yet. I'm on the lookout for that. So if anyone has got part 58 and they have it to spare, please get in touch and let me know. I do have 59, 60 and 61. So it's only 58 that are missing. As soon as I've got that, I can bring out more videos. But we can get part 57 done. I can show you what's inside. So these are the parts that we get. There's not too many parts this week. As you can see, we've got a little disc bit there, and we get like a piston part. So let's actually look at what we've got to do in this issue. So cross-reference your parts as always, and then when we flick through, we can see that we're going to need to bring in the Terminator, and we're going to be working in this area here around the hip and the joint here. We're going to need these two parts first. This little screw, which is an Allen key screw, and this disc part. We're going to be putting them together into the joint that we've got, screwing it in with our Allen key that they supplied a while back. So if you haven't got this Allen key, try and find one, because I don't think they're going to supply us with a new Allen key, because we've had a few times now where we've had to use this Allen key and they haven't supplied us with a new one each time. It's always been the same one. And then we're going to be doing this part down here. We take these two parts of the piston and we're going to push fit them together. It does say that we do not need to use glue because it is a tight fit, so we don't need to use glue for that part, and that's what we should have left over at the end. And flicking to the back, we can see what is in part 58, which I am looking for, is this one here, and we get this big plate piece with some screws. Yeah, so it does feel like ages since I've done a Terminator video, but this lockdown has closed my newsagent, so I haven't been able to get the issues. I had to buy these online, and a few guys on the Facebook groups helped me out, so thank you very much for that. And yeah, so let's get these parts open and start building. So this is the first part we need. As you can see, it's this disc plate here. It does have 4 pins on the side to help you locate it into the actual Terminator itself, and a screw hole through the middle. This is plastic. So let's bring the Terminator over and we'll get this fitted inside. Okay, so this is the area we're going to be working on here, and we've got our disc, and all we're going to do is drop that into there just like so. It will locate into there with the 4 points it's got. I'm going to take one of our Allen key screws. We can basically just start the threads off. And we can take our Allen key that they supplied us way back when I think when we did one of the arms, when we did the elbow joint for the arm, they supplied this Allen key. And we're just going to screw that all the way down till we get nice and flush with the actual part. I do believe if you do it tight, it might lock the part. So let's try that out. Yeah, it locks the leg if you do it too tight. I'm just going to undo it a little because I want a little bit of movement in there for when I store it, because I can't store it with the legs down at the minute. So let's do that. There we go. And that is that part in there. Next, we're going to be doing this piston part here. And we need these two parts. And on here, you've got 2 sides. One is slightly fatter than the other, and it has like these indentations, these raised parts every so often, just all the way around, just to help with the push fit, because this is a push fit connection. All we're going to do is just push that in there till we can get it as far down as we can, and that ain't going anywhere. That is really in there, and that is what you should have when this issue is complete, is this and the other part inside the Terminator. So let's once again take a quick look at what's coming up in issue 58, and that's this big piece of the plate that goes on the side of the Terminator's leg, just down the side to cover up the side. And yeah, as I said before, I don't have this issue, but I'm on the lookout for it. So if you do have this issue and you have it going spare or for sale, let me know in the comment section down below, or you can head on over to any of my social medias, my Facebook page, my Instagram or my Twitter. Leave a comment on there saying you have this issue, and I'll get in touch with you. So that is it, guys. That is issue 57 all complete. I don't know when issue 58 is going to be coming, but I'll get that, and as soon as I get that, I'll put the video out for that. So thank you very much for joining me. If you like this video, please leave a like down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Till next time, guys, take care.